In this short video, I will show you how to fix this issue with battlenet launcher that gives you this message when you launch it. We've detected a newer version of battlenet that one you're attempting to launch. You may need to fix your shortcuts, and you have option to select to continue with the latest version. And it will launch battlenet, but this message will show every time you start battlenet. As I understood, this issue is caused because battlenet launcher was unable to auto-update. Here's what you need to do to fix this. Open your web browser, type battlenet, and go to first link. When you are on this page, click up here on Download battlenet. Save setup file to your PC. I will save it to my desktop for easy access. After it was downloaded, find battlenet setup and run it. On User Account Control window, click Yes. You will see that battlenet is downloading files and updating. Wait until this process finish. After that, start battlenet launcher, and problem you had and that message should be gone. And that's it for this video. If you find it useful, give it a thumb up, and consider to subscribe to my channel with the bell on for more videos like this one. Until then, stay safe, happy gaming, and I'll see you all.